Good day, class, and now let's proceed to our new discussion. But first, let's have watch the video first because it has the connection to our new topic in this afternoon. And can you watch it attentively?
Hey kids, have you ever heard of recycling? Today, we're going to learn why it's important to recycle and how we can all do our part to help the environment. When we throw things away in the trash, they usually end up in a landfill. Landfills are big areas where our waste is buried in the ground. This can be harmful to the environment because some waste takes a long time to break down. To recycle, we need to sort our waste into different recycling bins. This helps reduce the amount of waste in landfills and saves natural resources. Plastic goes in one bin, paper in another, and glass in a third. Recycling is when we take old materials and turn them into new things. Recycling has many benefits. It makes our ecosystem healthy, reduces emissions, saves energy, creates jobs, and saves money. Remember, even small actions, like recycling, can make a big difference for our planet. So, let's all do our part and recycle.
Okay, let's have the objective. So, discuss the importance of recycling, create a slogan about the importance of recycling, and lastly, appreciate the importance of recycling through caring for our planet and protecting it for future generation. So the video shows the importance of recycling, which is our new topic in this afternoon. But first, let's discuss what is recycling. So, recycling is the process of collecting and processing used materials into new products. It is a crucial practice for protecting our environment and creating a more sustainable future. So, recycling is incredibly important for a multitude of reasons, impacting our environment and economy. Overall, recycling is essential for a healthy planet, a strong economy, and a thriving society. It promotes environmental justice by embracing recycling. We can all contribute to a more sustainable future. So, recycling is important because it helps protect the environment, right? And then by recycling like paper, plastic, glass, and metal, we can avoid sending large amounts of waste sent to landfills and incinerators. This help reduce harmful greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change, and recycling also saves energy. Making products from recycled materials usually requires less energy than making them from a raw material. So, furthermore, it helps conserves resources like waters, minerals, and trees, ensuring they are available for future generations. And overall, recycling is a simple but a powerful way to take care of our planet. So, in recycling, there is a environmental benefit. So, let's have first the reduce pollution. So, recycling minimize pollution associated with extracting, processing, and manufacturing new products. By reusing materials, we can reduce emissions from factories, mining operations, and transportation. Recycling paper or plastic, for instance, significantly reduces air and water pollution compared to producing paper from a virgin pulp. So next is the landfill reduction. So, recycling helps to reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills, which are the major source of pollution and environmental degradation. Landfill release harmful greenhouse gases like methane, contributing to a climate change. So, recycling helps to extend the lifespan of landfills and minimize their environmental impact. So, lastly is the energy savings. Recycling requires less energy than producing new products from a raw material. So, recycling glass saves about 30% of energy needed to manufacturing new glass. This reduction in energy consumption translates to lower greenhouse gas emissions and a more sustainable energy system. So, like for example, instead of buying a garbage bag, if you have if you have a use of sacks, use use um, sack of rice, you can use it as the garbage bag. So next is the economic benefits of recycling. So let's have first the job creation. So the recycling industry creates numerous jobs across the value chain, from collection and sorting to processing and manufacturing. The best example for this one is the garbage collector. Next is the cost saving. So, recycling can save money for businesses and consumers. Using recycled materials often costs less than producing new materials from scratch, making recycled product is more affordable. Like, for example, a man collect 5 gallons of bottled water and he turned it to flower pad. Okay, now let's proceed to our activity. So the instruction is create slogans. The students will create slogans about the importance of recycling materials with originality, creativity, and clarity. Okay, thank you. I hope you learn from our discussions in this afternoon. Thank you, class, and goodbye.